Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online class of English grammar for grade 8A. Here is your teacher Mrs. Naula. How are you, my dear students? I hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to study if sentences and words part from module 9 of your English grammar workbook. You will have two exercises on page number 71 with the number 10A and 11 are the two exercises on page number 71. The title of the exercise is If Sentences in Social Situations. Now, what are if sentences? My dear students, I am going to explain some fundamental rules about if sentences. Please understand them very clearly. We often use if sentences to ask for permission. For example, when you are at home, so you have to use if in a sentence. Then the condition is that you are seeking a permission. You want a permission. Means you want to do something, you can't do it. Because if you do it, maybe other person will be feeling angry or he will not like it. So you link your one activity or action with the approval or likeness of another person. Now here is an example for you. Would you mind if I open the door? Means if I open the door, will you be angry? If you are going to be angry or if you dislike it, I will not open the door. Right? Here is another example. Would you mind if I left early today? Here you can see my early departure or leaving is conditional to your approval. If you feel angry, I will not go. Okay? Would you mind if I left early today? Our point number 2 is we often use if sentences to give a piece of advice to someone. For example, if I were you, I would go home. You will feel better if you take rest. Or another example, the students will score extraordinary marks if they study very well. Point number 3. We often use if sentences to make offers. For example, I will phone her if you like. If you do the task, I will give you a gift. If the students do a good work, the teacher will give them good marks the same way. Now what is our exercise 10A? You are going to use the prompts to write complete sentences or questions for these situations. Here you will have 7 different conditions or sequences, or you can say situations. After going through these situations individually, you will compose a sentence. That sentence will be the answer. But within your sentence, there should be these keywords. You must be within the limits of the keywords which the teacher has given you at the end of each situation. The first one has been done as a token of example. Your friend has a letter to post. You are going out and offer to post it. What do you say? Now the keywords are I post it if want. Now my dear students, please write the answer. I will post it if you want. Number 2. It is your first evening with a host family in England and you want to telephone home. How do you ask your landlady? Now the keywords are alright if I use phone. Please write the answer with correct spelling. Is it alright if I use the phone? Is it alright if I use the phone? Situation number 3 on page 71. Your friend is expecting a call from John, but she has to go out. What do you say? Now here you are going to make an offer to your friend. The keywords are I, take, message, if, he, phone. The answer will be I will take a message if he phones. Here you are giving an assurance to your friend and you are telling her that you can go easily, no need to worry. In your absence, I will receive the message and then later I will pass it on to you. I will repeat the answer for situation number 3. I will take a message if he phones. Number 4. You are on a crowded train and you want to open a window. How do you ask the other passengers? The keywords are anyone mind if I open a window. Please write the answer. Would anyone mind if I opened the window? Would anyone mind if I opened the window? Number 5. Your car has broken down and a friend offers to take you home. What does he say? I give you lift if like. Please write the answer. I will give you a lift if you like. I will give you a lift if you like is the answer for number 5. And the next one, a friend invites you to eat in a new restaurant. What do you say? There are only 3 keywords as the teacher has given us. Those 3 keywords are that, be, great. Now here you will make your answer without if. That would be great. If you want to make it more elaborative or explanatory, you can say, oh really? If you invite me, that would be great. Number 7. It is snowing heavily and your friend wants to drive home. How do you advise her? The keywords are I not drive in this weather if be you. And your answer will be I wouldn't drive in this weather if I were you. I wouldn't drive in this weather if I were you. Now we are going to do our exercise number 11. You will complete the sentence with the correct form of make and phrase in the box. Actually, what will you do? My dear students, you will use the action verb make in each sentence, right? And also you will take one phrase from the box after you read the situation or condition of every sentence. Here is your exercise number 11 with question A that has been done to explain it. Can I dash? Why don't we have lunch and discuss this later? Now what can you do, my dear students? You will take this phrase. Which one? A suggestion. This one. A suggestion. And already you know that you will use the action verb make. Can I make a suggestion? Why don't we have lunch and discuss this later? Your answer will be only make a suggestion. Number 2 or number B, I'm sorry, I think I have dash. The answer should be 40,000, not 4,000. And here the answer will be I have made a mistake. Now you cannot say I have made a mistake. You know that in the sentences of present perfect there will be past participle verb. I have made a mistake. The answer should be 40,000, not 4,000. Number C, I will dash everyone dash. What would you like? Coffee or tea? I will make everyone a drink. Here you write I will make everyone a drink. Means I will prepare a juice or coffee or tea for everyone who is in the party. What would you like? Coffee or tea? I will make everyone a drink. Number D. Our company's handbags used to be dash, but nowadays we use some plastic as well. Now here the first part of the sentence is in passive voice, so you will use the past participle verb of make. Our company's handbags used to be made of leather. Made of leather is the answer for number D situation. But nowadays we use some plastic as well. The next one, before you go on a long car journey, you need to make sure you check the oil level. Make sure is the answer for number E question on page 71. Before you go on a long car journey, you need to make sure you check the oil level. And F The computer is making a terrible noise. The computer is making a terrible noise. What should I do? Here you will write making a, then here you will write noise. This is how you are going to complete the answer. The computer is making a terrible noise. What should I do? And the next one, Dr. Maynard is free at 4 o'clock. Would you like to make an appointment? Dr. Maynard is free at 4 o'clock. Would you like to make an appointment? And the last one, it has taken a long time to make a decision, but we have decided to go to New York for our holiday. Now your answer will be make a decision. It has taken a long time to make a decision, but we have decided to go to New York for our holiday. My dear students, today we have done some exercises which are associated with if sentences in social situations. What is your homework? You are going to revise exercises 10a and 11 of module 9 of English grammar workbook. See you next time with a new lesson. Till then, bye bye.